Hi, my name is Susan and I'm an artist, author and online educator. I teach aspiring artists just like you how to live more creatively, rediscover your inner artist, build confidence in drawing and most importantly, fill your sketchbooks. You deserve time for your creativity and I want to let you know about my sketching membership called Inspire that will help you to sketch more and enjoy every minute. So what's Inspire? Inspire is a monthly membership and inclusive online community for all levels, especially beginners and improvers, providing monthly sketchbook tutorials and more. It will help you to build a consistent sketching practice no matter how busy life gets. The focus is on making sketching approachable, easy and fun, to help you decide what to sketch, as well as improve your drawing skills and techniques. So how does Inspire work? On the first of each month, a new series of video tutorials is added into the membership portal. These are grouped into an overarching theme for the month. For example, we have worked on topics such as intuitive colour, tone and form, paint and pattern, autumn foliage, fruit and veg, sketch your day and more. There are in fact over 2 years worth of themes and tutorials that you gain access to as soon as you join the membership. Within these tutorials you will always find a new sketchbook warm-up exercise, a doodling, relaxed, creative play exercise that you can complete in 5 to 10 minutes in your sketchbook. These are always super fun. Then there are a number of more in-depth sketching tutorials that ask you to explore the monthly theme in more depth in your sketchbook. Most of these tutorials are with myself here from my studio in the UK, and then at least 3 times per year we invite guest tutors into the fold to share their sketchbook techniques with us too. These tutorials also culminate in a small achievable project or challenge each month. Within Inspire, I also talk about a creative mindset through my Tea with Susan discussions. I grab a cuppa, you grab a cuppa, and I talk on a subject that will help to bring a dose of positivity and inspiration into your life. Topics such as how to build your confidence as an artist, the power of observation, and the importance of rest. And then there is the community, the private Facebook group exclusive for Inspire members. This feature of the membership is a wonderful space to share your progress on your sketching, ask questions when you get stuck on something, don't know what to do next, or have queries about materials. The group, who are now fondly termed Inspired Ones, always chip in with feedback and support, and I am there regularly commenting as well. This Inspire community is truly a wonderful space, and together we sketch, chat, help each other out, and enjoy our regular dose of creativity each month. You'll also find some other fun stuff peppered in regularly, such as book reviews, materials introductions, live Zoom sketching sessions, and the annual art exchange. There is just enough to keep you inspired and sketching, but not too much that you feel overwhelmed. Each member can work at their own pace, and importantly, this is a membership, not an online course, so there is no way that you can be behind. It's a little like a magazine or library where you simply use what you want and leave what you don't. So all in all, Inspire is a really lovely way to get a bit of inspiration on a regular monthly basis for a small monthly fee. It's a community with no pressure, no minimum commitment, which means you can join for as long as you need or cancel at any time. Inspire will help you to become more confident in your sketchbook, explore your tools and materials to express yourself creatively, and see the world in a slightly different way. So do come and have a look at the Inspire membership. You can find all the information on my website, susanyeates.co.uk/inspire. I can't wait to see you there. Let's get sketching.